बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप व्यूअर्स? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। हमारी आज की वीडियो है गोवर्धन असरानी। गोवर्धन असरानी 1st January 1941 to 20th October 2025, known professionally as Asrani, was an Indian actor and director. His career in Bollywood spanned over 5 decades, during which he appeared in over 350 Hindi and Gujarati films. Asrani worked in lead character, comic, and supporting roles. He is particularly noted for his role as the jailer in Sholay and Ahmad David M. David number Rick Shavro for his appearance in 25 films with Rajesh Khanna as the lead actor between 1972 and 1991. Born on Govardhan Asrani, 1st January 1941, Jaipur, British India. Died 20th October 2025, Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Alma Mater, Rajasthan College, Pune. Occupation: actor, director, producer, singer, filmmaker. Years active 1967 to 2025. Spouse में मंजू असरानी. Awards: Filmfare Award for Best Comedian. In Hindi films, he appeared in several comic roles from 1966 to 2014 and frequently portrayed the close friend of the lead actor in the films between 1972 and 1995. He appeared in multi-films directed by Hrishikesh Mukherjee and Priyadarshan. In some Hindi films, including Chale Murari Hero Bane and Salam Mem Saab, he played the lead role. In Gujarati films, he acted as the lead from 1972 to 1984 and performed character roles from 1985 to 2012. He directed 6 films between 1974 and 1997. Asrani died in Mumbai on 20th October 2025 at the age of 84 after a prolonged illness after having been hospitalized for respiratory issues. Early life. Asrani was born into a middle-class Hindu family in Jaipur. His father opened a carpet shop. He has 4 sisters and 3 brothers, 2 elder and 1 younger. Asrani was uninterested in business and weak in mathematics. He completed the matriculation from St. Xavier's School and did his graduation from Rajasthan College, Jaipur. He simultaneously worked as a voice artist at All India Radio, Jaipur, to pay for his education. He married actress Manju Bansal, with whom he fell in love while working together in films like Aaj Ki Taza Khabar and Namak Haram. After they wed, the couple acted in Tapasya, Chandi Sona, Jane Bahar, Jurmana, Nalaik, Sarkari Mehman, Narat Vihwa, and Chor Sipahi. In Aaj की ताज़ा खबर, असरानी played चंपक भूमिया, अमित देसाई and Manju played Kesari Desai. For his role, Asrani won the Filmfare Award for Best Comedian. Later, the couple acted in Hum Nahi Sudharenge, a home production directed by Asrani in 1980. A career. He began to learn acting from Sahitya Kalbahi Thakur from 1960 to 1962. In 1962, he traveled to Mumbai to seek opportunities to act. In 1963, on an accidental meeting with Kishore Sahu and Hrishikesh Mukherjee, they advised him to learn acting professionally. In 1964, Asrani joined the Film Institute in Pune and finished his course. In 1966, he got his first break in Hindi films, playing the friend of an actor Biswajit in the film Hare Kanch Ki Chuniya in 1967. In the Film Institute, he had impressed many and made his acting big as a hero in 1967 with a Gujarati movie opposite budding actress Wahida. He acted in 4 other movies, mainly as actor and supporting actor in Gujarati. From 1967 to 1969, he did not get many offers from the Hindi film industry. From 1967 and 1969, his old advisor Hrishikesh Mukherjee then gave him the role of supporting actor in the film Satyakam. In 1969, he got noticed in the film Mere Apne. From 1971, he started getting more offers as the main comedian in films or as the close friend of the lead actor. Directors like Mukherjee, Atma Ram And Gulzar repeatedly cast him in the period 1971 to 1974, and his work got noticed through these films. These roles set the tone of a number of supporting and comic roles in his career. In 1970, his demand was at its peak as he appeared in 101 films from 1970 to 1979. Through initially Rajesh Khanna and Asrani had met only on the set of Bawarchi, they become close friends after Namak Haram. After which, for the role of comedian, Khanna insisted the producer and director make Asrani part of his film. Asrani worked in 25 films with Khanna from 1972 to 1991, from Bawarchi 1972 to Ghar Parivar 1991. His most memorable work is supporting actor from 1970 to 1979 are in Mere Apni Koshish, Bawarchi, Pariche, Abhiman, Mehbooba, Palko Ki Chhaaw Mein, Do Laadle, Do Khatke, and Bandish. He played the lead role in Chale Murari Hero Bane, a Hindi film he wrote and directed in 1977, which was critically acclaimed. His notable roles as comedian from the 1970s are in Aaj Ki Taza Khabar, Roti Prem Nagar, Chupke Chupke, Choti Si Baat, Rafu Chakkar, Sholay, Balka Vadhu, Fakira, Anurat, Chehla Babu, Charas, Phansi, Dil Lagi, Hera Lal, Pena Lal, Patti Patni और वो and हमारे तुम्हारे. Though he had played the supporting character in many films, he played a serious role for first time in Khoon Pasina. He did offbeat roles like that of the evil brother's role in Koshish 1972, the double role of a hypie and villager in L.V. Parsad's Bidai 1974, Abidi and Ganji, supporting Vistral in Harikesh Mukherjee Chetali 1975. A romantic in B.R. Chopra Nikah 1982, who sang a qawwali like Yesteryear actor Yaqub and played a pimp in K.S. Prakash Raho Prem Nagar 1974. Later he played antagonist roles in Ab Kya Hoga and Teri Meherbaniyan. He was a very popular public figure in 1970 and one of his Rajesh Khanna close friend. He became a regular feature in films produced by D. Ramanai Dio. And those movies directed by Harkesh Mukherjee, B.R. Chopra, K. Bappiya, Narayana Rao Desari, K. Ravindra Rao Basu Chatterjee in 1972 to 1992. He won the Filmfare Award for Best Comedian for his performance in Aaj Ki Taza Khabar in 1974 and for Balka Badhu in 1977. In 1974, Asrani directed his first movie in Gujarati with himself as the hero, and the song Hue Dawat No Rikshalo, sung by Kishore Kumar, was picturized on Asrani. The song picturized on Asrani and sung by Kishore in Hindi are Acha चलो जी बाबा माफ कर दो, फ्रॉम हमारे तुम्हारे प्यार मैं करूंगी, फ्रॉम ये कैसा इंसाफ है, मेनू भाई मोटर चली पाम was sung by him with Kishore Kumar and was picturized on Rishi Kapoor and him in Phool Khile Hain Gulshan Gulshan in 1978. In the 1980, he acted in 107 Hindi film. Asrani holds the record for appearing as a actor comedian in the most Hindi films in a decade, 101 in the 1970 and 107 in the 1980. Unlike his roles in 1970 to 1984, which were pivotal to the plot, most of his roles from 1985 to 1993 were very minor, mainly because the concept of the comedian was being phased out and heroes preferred to do their own comedy, and action films were more popular in the period from 1985 to 1994. In the 1980s, his memorable performances were in Hamari Bahu, Alka, Ek Hi Phool, Ye Kaisa Insaf Hai, Kamchor, Agar Tum Na Hote, ऐशा ज्योति, मकसद, मैं इंतकाम लूंगा, लव 86 and बीवी हो तो ऐसी. In the film produced by South Indian production houses film and those directed by T. Rama Rao, K. Raghavendra Rao, K. Bappiya, Narayana Rao Desari, the trio Asrani, Qadar Khan, Shakti Kapoor were regular from 1982 to 1998 and boosted the popularity of the trio. In 1982, Asrani set up a small Gujarati production company with fellow artists Dinesh Hingo, Harish Patel, and Salim Parvez. The company dissolved in 1996 with a large profit. Asrani also invested mainly in cloth and acted as investor for those actors until 1991, when he lost a lot of money. From 1988 to 1993, he was the director for the Film Institute in Pune. In the 1990s, he did only 73 Hindi movies due to lack of good scope from him to perform. Muqabla 1993 saw him in a serious role after a long time. Simultaneously, he kept working in Gujarati film in the 1970 and 1980 as a lead role and achieved success as the lead protagonist in M. David No Rickshawalo, Saath Kaidi, Sansar Chakra, Pan Kahi No Malu, Jugal Jyoti, Maam Baap, Chel Chalebu, Gujarati. From the 1990s, he played as a comedian or supporting actor in the Gujarati films like Mota Ghar Nahi Vahu, Piyu Gao, Pardesh, and Baap Dhamal Dikhra. D. Raman Adio gave a pivotal role to Asrani in Takdeer Wala in 1995, and once again comedy movies were being made from there on. Asrani started getting good roles in films directed by David Dhawan and Priyadhar Shan from 1993 until 2012. His most memorable performance as a comedian from 1990s are in Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar, Gardish, Takdeerwala, Ghar Wali, Bahar Wali, Bade Miyan, Chote Miyan, and Hero Hindustani. The 2000s saw Asrani in a number of films like Heer Pher, Chup Chup Ke, Halchal, Deewane Hue Pagal, Garam Masala, Dhamal, Mala Mal, Weekly, Bhagam Bhag, Bhool Bhulaiya, Di Dane Dan, Bol Bachchan, and Kamal Dhamal Mala Mal. He appeared in a serial role in Kyunki. He was an integral part of comedies by Sajid Natiyadwala and Priya Darshan after 2000. His screen space in the films of Rohit Shetty and others were reduced gradually after 2009. Asrani and Malika Sherawat were the judges of the 18th annual Naya Andaz competition on 17 April 2010 in New Jersey. Asrani in 2018 played the role of Mikash's grandfather in the popular web series Permanent Roommates and even appeared in advertisement in 2009. He also appeared the role of DGP, Director General of Police, in the serial Partners Trouble Ho Gaye Double. Asrani acted as Narada in the 1985 Doordarshan TV serial Natkat Narad. Some of his co-stars were Jayashree and Vikram Khokhal. His obituary in the Hindu stated the versatility with his middle name as the transcended the typical sidekick stereotype to become perfect foil for the lead character, blending a slapstick with subtle satire and dramatic depth, be it Rajesh Khanna, Amitabh Bachchan, or Jitendra. Asrani played a definitive role in the myth-making of several matinee idols of the 1970 and 1980. Death. He was admitted to hospital on October 16 with breathing issues in Mumbai and died at 3 p.m. 20 October 2025 due to fluid accumulation in his lungs. He was 84. His last rites were performed at Santa Cruz Crematorium with family members in attendance. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको आज की हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। मजीद वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारा चैनल लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना मत भूलें। दुआओं में हमें याद रखें। आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।